Hi viewers, I am back with another delicious recipe for you. Grilled chicken steaks, seasoned and cooked to perfection. Let's dig in. I check chicken breast pieces and flatten them with the help of a hammer. Cut into halves. Poke the surface of chicken with fork. Prepare the marinade by mixing the ingredients. Squeeze a lemon. Mix well in a bowl. Coat the chicken steaks. Leave to marinate for about an hour for best results. Add cooking oil to a pan. Use cooking spray if desired. Place the steaks on pan and cook on low flame. Cover the pan and allow to cook thoroughly. Few minutes should be enough, depends of the meat. Turn after few minutes. Roast your choice of vegetables in a pan or oven. Using some soy sauce and hot sauce. Using a stand or grill, place on flame for less than a minute to give steaks a barbecue flavor aroma. This step is optional, but will add a nice smoky flavor to the steak. Serve with roasted veggies. Enjoy and don't forget to subscribe if you like.